Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss Chapter 8, Microsoft Front Page 2003, with components and hotspots. Okay, this topic itself we have to discuss first one, page fairness. Page fairness. We have to discuss first, fairness means what? Okay, already we know that in our functions, whatever it is, maybe body functions or marriage functions, we are making a fairness in family with the family photos and the pictures and then text. Okay. Like that. Now, computer itself, we have to introducing it, we have to obtain an advertisement. Okay, we have to make a banners and then giving advertisement to the internet and then we have to upload everything in a online itself and displaying everyone. Only for our purpose as well as we have to making our website in worldwide. Okay, this is the main purpose we have to put in advertisement in our internet. Okay, we have to see page banners means what's that? One of the most popular forms of advertising on the internet. Most popular forms. Page banners is what purpose we have to use? We have the most popular forms of advertising on the internet is rotating banner advertising. It will be rotating every time. Okay, in banners, maybe you have to see any website. Okay, side by side advertisements are coming. How they are making that advertisements in a system, and then how they uploaded that advertisements. What purpose they are uploading that advertisement? Only for the okay, learning. Okay, not only for learning. Then we have to earn something from there. So as well as businessmen, most of you using this advertisement techniques in the internet. It's front page banners are page headings that are the program creates and controls. In front page banner itself, we have to make a heading. The website means or web pages means we have to make a heading. Then after we have to create all the. Okay. Then we have a variety of websites, variety of banners are okay. We have to design in a internet. We have variety of banners, website, and web pages are there in a online internet itself. Okay, what are that? Okay, maybe that banner itself we have to consist some logos. We have to start any company or any courses. Okay, any tuition center we are going to start. Okay. We have to give a name for that tuition center as well as we have to give a logo also. Correct? Next one. We have to advertise our website in this particular district or particular places. We have to advertise the website in an online particular district itself or particular surrounding. Okay. As a next one, we have to advertise something about our own website. Okay, tuition center we are making it. Definitely we have to give a name for that tuition center. Logo also we have to put, and then after we have to apply the advertisement in our online. So these are all we have to do on our own website. Okay, we have to create own website and uploading everything. That is also possible. These are all the further variety of reasons making banners in online. Okay, so how to use that? How to make that banners? Okay, two ways we have to make a banners. Okay, one is the picture banner, another one is the text banner. Okay, picture banner means only okay that page alone, that banner itself we have to apply only for the picture. Okay, without any text. That is called as a picture. Okay. So we have to apply some background themes and then we have to give us some pictures and displaying a advertisement in a internet. Okay, that is one of the methods. Next one is the text banner. The text banner is used to display the text only that particular banner or particular page. Okay, we have to apply some background colors, background themes, and we have to type our text. Okay, these two ways we have to make our banners. Okay, as well as text and picture also we have to give for particular page. That is also possible in a text banners. A picture banner, another one is the text banner. These two way we have to make our banners in advertisement now internet. Okay. How to make that stuff? How to prepare that one for front page software? We have to see one by one. Okay. So for start, all programs, click Microsoft Office, select Microsoft Office front page. Okay, this is our page. Okay. This is our page. Here itself we have to select our website. Okay, my school. So already we have that. Okay. Otherwise, the my school form that is also giving some farmers. No need. Okay, leave it. Just we have to how to make that banners one by one. We have to go for insert option. Here itself tip component. Okay, fine. Into page blank page. Okay. So first of all, we have to create one blank page to my school like that. Okay, I have to make myself my home page. My home page. My so this is my topic. Just I have to select and apply the theme. Okay, whatever I need, I have to apply that everything. From here is my home page in my home page in my school. So that is my topic. Okay. So some text we have to copy and paste from here. Okay, maybe we have some text in our online itself, otherwise we have to take it from here. Okay, any text are there means we have to use that text here itself and apply the techniques. Okay, here we have any help option from here. The help option. You have to type something, anything. Take any topic, you have to type it. Okay, so you have to just I have to copy this one. Okay, only for example, I have to copy. This is my front page text. Okay. So just I have to save this page. Nice code. Fine. Now we have to go for insert option, shape component. So now only we are going to start with the preparing page PDF component. There we have to select included content. So one window insert the component window will be open. We have to select included content. There itself we have to select page and this is my home page. Now I have to go for insert option. This component, there itself we have to select included. There we have to select the choose the type of content, page panel. This page panel only we are going to create. Pick the niche option. Okay. We have two methods to making a panel in advertisement. So one is the picture panel, another one is the text panel. We have to select the text panel. So in the export name I have to edit about us panel. So it's book. About us edit myself and increase the size about us. And third, okay, the line about us. We have to give some text down after that. So this is the particular text okay, about myself. Just I copy and give some contents. Okay. You have to give whatever it is about us. You have to give your details. Okay. I given just I copy and paste some for your understanding. Okay, and possible type everything from here itself. Possible. So just I copy and paste some text and explain your concept. Next only you have to execute. Okay. So text page. Now I have to execute a program in Internet Explorer where it is Swiggy in Microsoft Internet Explorer 8.0. Okay, this is my text advertisement, text banner advertisement in Internet. Okay, you have to upload this page in online. Okay, it will be visible whenever your page will be open. This page will be open about page. Okay, this is one of the web page. Okay, your website. This is one of the page. Okay, close this one. And next one we have to do market market tools means what it is will be storing the text horizontally. Will be moving one text will be we have to select and that text alone will be moving horizontally. Okay, so that is the margin tool. How to use that margin tool? How to apply that margin tool in my text page? You have to see how to do it. Okay, one by one you have to follow. To open the page design view, okay, design view I open. Okay. Next we go for insert, insert, if component, there itself, how to select the margin tool. Okay. Dynamic effect, margin tool is out. Okay. That effect I selected here. Okay. Next I have to click niche. Okay. This page will be open. Here itself what is outside. Okay, we are here to help you. We are here to help. This text only I have to apply a margin effect. So I have to select that. This margin effect is we cover different methodologies. Okay. So wherever you need, just you have to save it. Okay, I selected here itself. This text will be running down. Okay, here itself it will be done. Okay, direction left side to right side or right side to left side. That direction also you have to apply. Delay. Okay, time of delay. Slowly it will be moving as fast. Okay. Fast means we have to give a amount. Okay. So delay means we have to apply here. Okay, how much delay you need, just you have to apply that. Okay, we apply given 90. We have to use that state delay time. Okay, amount of moving fast. Okay, amount means nothing but fast. Okay, how much fast you want to move on text. Okay, that particular text. We are here to help you. This text will be move on fast. Okay, that is called as amount. Next one is behavior. So like alternate. Just the methods we have in a behavior in a margin. The behavior so right alternate. Okay, which one you want, you have to apply that. Okay, I have to give told. Okay, next this okay, you want means you have to apply. I don't want height also how to apply. Okay, with that particular text with and height only. Okay. Next, continuously. Okay, repeated or once or twice. Continuous means we have to click that particular box, particular uh, item box. Okay. So you want to repeat only for 3 times or 4 times means how to remove that click without apply. Click 2 or 3 times or 4 times or 5 times. If you like that, you have to do. Sir, that text will run continuously, sir, without any stopping means we have to click this. Repeat that icon is to click it. Okay. Next, you have to give OK. Otherwise, you have to apply a background color also. Background color means you have to apply whatever it is. Okay, I have to give on red color. Okay. We are here to help you. So that text will be displaying on your this page down itself. Okay. Wherever you want, you just click your mouse from there. Okay, you want to here means you have to select your mouse from there and then go for insert option. There is a text component. Okay, there itself you have to select margin to. Okay, you have to follow the steps. You have to apply the method. Okay, so I selected down itself. Okay, that's why that text will be displaying in your page in down. So now I have to save this page and run now. Execute. In previewing in Microsoft Internet Explorer 8.0. So I have to execute that. The text will be running. Repeatedly it will be running. After finishing here, we'll start from here. The direction we given left to right only. Just see here. After finishing this, will be start to move on left to right continuously without stop. Okay. This is called as a module tools on your web page. Okay. How to apply that? Maybe you understand clearly. If you have any other doubt, just you have to ask. Okay. Next one, interactive buttons. The next one is the interactive button. How to be apply that interactive buttons? Just you have to listen carefully. Go for insert menu. There is a div component. There you have to select interactive button. Okay, click finish. Okay, here you have to click any interactive button. Okay, whatever you want, you just you have to click it. Here what they selected one interactive button. Start that to 2. Okay, so I have to select same interactive button. Soft text only they select. Okay, I selected that text. I have to type here. Okay, rules. Okay, some rules are there in my web page. Okay, my full web page. So rules text we have to type. So that soft capsule button will be opened. This is the design. So next we have to click OK. Click OK. Rules. So this is the rules button. It's selected from there. So wherever you want, just you have to apply there. Okay, rules are there. Okay. This is my web page. Myself I am preferring that just to you have to know with this. Okay. So here I have to add one text to my screen. Next one, you have to apply the method one by one. Next one is how to apply the hyperlink. We go for edit hyperlink. Here I didn't apply hyperlink. Just I have to apply the hyperlink now. Now we have to apply the editor hyperlink. select that particular one, go for insert option, there itself hyperlink. Okay, there our web page where it is. Okay, my document itself I stored. Okay, my folder is below. Here itself I saved my web page. Here I have to open that particular pages. My school. So now you have to save your page and execute that particular page. Okay, it will be running from here itself. So maybe you have to page means the nice full page will be open. Okay, that is hyperlink. Already we seen this in our chapter 7 is okay, how to create a hyperlink. Okay, so in our book they given how to click that hyperlink, your page will be open. Okay, that is one of the methods on to just you have to know it how to give a hyperlink. Okay, this is our way to we have to make it our text banner. So this is the way to we have to make a text banner and interactive button. How to apply interactive button. Next one, how to give a what it is hyperlink. This is how to give that hyperlink. Okay, that is everything. You have to know it. Okay, next one, image map. The next one is the image map. Go for this image map is used to when you want to create hotspots within an image and hyperlink to other location on the page. The hotspots here are clickable paths. The image for hyperlink image. One image can have many paths. So if you click that image means will be going for different link pages. Okay, that is also possible in a home page. Okay, we have to see how to create that hotspot. Go for design view. Okay, I there now design view only from Flipkart. Okay, picture Flipkart. Okay, insert, go insert. There itself picture Flipkart. We have to select some picture from here. Okay, default pictures are there. Just have to select that. Okay, so then after we have to apply the just to have to our picture toolbar. Where it is that already opened that. Okay, no need to. The picture toolbar is open. There itself, you have to apply the hyperlink. What you have to do? Picture hyperlink dialog box. You have to select that picture. Go for insert hyperlink. Okay, and then after you have to give whatever it is. My site. See whatever it is for my site. Index.html. So just you have to save that. Okay. So now we have to execute. I applied a image the hyperlink. So one image I uploaded in my page. And then after I select the insert option. There itself I went hyperlink. There itself I given a link of my index page. Okay. So click OK. Next I have to save this my my web page. And then after executing in Microsoft Internet Explorer. Just you have to click it. That will be moving on to the my new web page. Okay. So just you have to click that means that is the picture is one of the hyperlink. You have to click this picture means it will be moving on to the new page. Okay, already saved page will be without equal link. Okay. This picture you have to click means that page will be open. Okay, this is the way to we have to giving the link between two pictures or three links. Okay, one picture itself three links also we have to open. So this is called as the hot. Okay, how to do that? That will be just we have to know it, and then after we have to see one by one another techniques. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.